This Mandalo.
Early morning levels without a doubt. I'm nerding and we nerding out. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set 'em. We set 'em. Pre-market out for the Lions is ready. Cooling wise salmon and salmon, we steady. Deep cheers when the knowledge connecting. Wise lions studying with patience. Mandalo. In the morning, I'm nerding and we're nerding out. Early morning levels without a doubt. Calling the zones in the structure. Pre-market nerd out. That's all that we about. Shout out to coin wise. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set 'em. Why you be all on the trot if you rushing? Why you not marking the levels of soaking? Wise lions patient, we build it for structure. Mandalo teaching the code to the public. Coin wise outfits flowing abundance. Knowledge and discipline stacking the hundreds. Every reaction the lions know how I'm coming. Lions per air when candles start pumping. Uncle for the bell ringing, the lions on a mission. Studying candles, levels and timing with precision. A boobalito in any market condition. Coin wise with Kimba Lions dominating the competition. We got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set 'em. We set 'em. Pre-market off for the Lions is ready. Coin wise family and seminar we steady. Big cheers with the knowledge connecting. Wise lions studying with patience. Mandalo. In the morning, I'm nerding and we nerding out. Early morning levels without a doubt. Calling the zones in the structure. Pre-market nerd out. This all that we about. Shout out to coin wise. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set 'em.
Test, test, test. Good morning! Happy Monday!
If this math get complicated, you get flipped out.
Kimba gang always kneel G4. Baby Mandalo, Mrs. Mandalo, Baby V2. Dayox. Crispy, Bergie, Synonym. Shoutouts PSG. Let's go SSW. Sunset. Shaloob. Pedro. Hey Blake, good morning, brother. How we doing, my boy? Opa Soto, thank you for the resub. Let's go. No, Diabito. Synonym. Bud Box, good morning. No, Diabito. C Puman. Shoutouts Buzz. Husty, Cage. Let's go. Moses. Indolion, good morning. I am nothing. Curvies. JB. Calling Noob. Shoutouts Calling Noob. Karoon. Ego. Shout out to Kimba AI. Shout out to Afflicted. Hi to you. How we doing? J Bucks, let's go. Chili. Gonzas. Iacone. Joopy. Fitba Apper, how we doing? Latisse. Chab Superstar. Ooh-wee. 58,280 with 10x. Let's go. Nice. Dude, that's like the pixel. Beautiful. Beautiful. Well, strategy does it again. Let's go. Nice. Let's go SXW. How we doing, Neil? I need to see this video. Tabasco. Let's all start a juicy week. Quarterly close tomorrow evening. Shout outs to the Wise Lions, exclamation NFT. And we got something else new to play with. The dashboard just had another update for the CoinWise dashboard, coinwise.com/dashboard inky. Let's go. See me swept. CME swept. But nowhere else did, I don't think. Yeah, I cleaned a lot of the lows here, but CME, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, if you know anywhere that swept those highs at 68.30, holla at your boy. Let's go. Let's get ready this Monday. Market open in 22 minutes. How about some predictions? Who's ready? You want some predictions? Oncoming interruption. Let's go. Alf. Forgiven. Let's go. Well, got the quarterly close coming tomorrow. I think we're gonna bing bong ding dong a little bit more. I think those lows are gonna get cleaned at some point though. Yeah, so hedgish, leaning a little on the bearish side. I don't think that the bottom is in, but we're playing it level to level. 58.8 is a big, big level. And even though we got the weekly open just below 60K, crazy to think of, isn't it? Weekly open below 60K. Haven't said those words in a while. Oh. How's this looking to you? That doesn't mean that there aren't positions. It doesn't mean that I'm wrong or I'm not wrong. Whatever. That's just what I'm seeing. And I see just like Hail Marys thrown by strategy this morning. I don't know, man. It's all bullish. Let's fucking go. Just kidding. Big longs coming in, and even more of them got stopped out. Lord. This is aggregated spot CVD. This is Coinbase. Relative volume. Delta, longs and shorts, open interest, aggregate, and RSI funding. Funding in the green. KIMBA'S update. Okay. Shout outs Curvies. Yeah, and look at your historical patterns. You know, into the ends of, or into quarterly closes, into quarterly opens. You know, a little bit of interest leaves the market going into the close. You remember last year we were trading at like 100,000, and we had a pullback right until the 4th or something, and then it just like pure juice. I don't even have to look at dates. I'll show you on the chart. End of June. Their share open on the 1st. Pullback, juice. Right off of the open. So, the 2nd. And then it really started to pop on the true open. So, first full trading week. It was nice. Shout outs to the Lions that were here for that. New decks coming out. Nice. Coinwise.com/dashboard. Go into the den and get updated, and then you can also see that new decks. TX flow. Okay. Get it. Exclamation. Discord. Go check out the KIMBA'S Den. Let's see what we're working with over there. Speaking of strategy, if you miss the news, go to Twitter. Or CryptoCraft, it's like the partner of Forex Factory. Long story short, they're increasing their reserves or something. However, you see on the other side, they may need to sell a bunch of Bitcoin to cover their dividends. So, you know, it's always something, man. Rooting for them. Rooting for our bags, right? Let's go, Dolcon. Let's go, Roscoe. Good morning. Good morning, Barentina. Snap diddly. Let's go, Buzz. Exclamation TX flow is up in the chat. Let's go. Hottest new decks. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's check out this new dashboard. Coinwise.com/dashboard. Unfilled rotation, nearly. But got the daily one. And it did do a, it was an 80% setup this morning. Wait, it was not? Was it? This value for the monthly. Right, we need to make it back inside and start getting closes back inside. Value area. And then maybe we can get a chance to rotate up to the 62 or the 64. And 62's first. 64 point of control. We got plenty up above. Oh no. Oh no. Ah, Gajoya! They just updated. Well, we'll check back on this in a little bit. Late nights, early mornings, eyes on the goal. Every single trade was a test for the soul. Sacrifice sleep, put in the blood. Now I'm swimming in profits. I'm out of the mud. They doubted me then, but now they're watching in awe. Keep a gang up, we're breaking every law. Success ain't handed, man, I had to earn. Lit the fire within and let the passion burn. All I do is win, never fall, stay strong. Keep a game beside me, we've been grinding all along. I'm strong if you're strong. Together we stand, 10,000 hours deep. We're taking over the land. I'm strong if you're strong. I'm strong if you're strong. I'm strong if you're strong. It's juice. I've seen it already. Okay. Okay. Just go with me. Yonliev, how we doing? I'm strong if you strong. Well, we strong, man. What I was showing on strategy is we got a great little pump right there. That's awesome. Let's look at their weekly. Did it get all of that? No, almost. It's not looking that great. Daily is good. All right, all right, all right.
Step into the charts and juice. Style and fashion, juice. FM, levels to levels, check. Gang, I wonder how we always catch that edge, edge. Looking hella glorious, juice. Patient, strong, victorious, juice. Family and we luxurious. Kimba in real life, no one above us. What you telling me? Gangy, stacked up profits daily. Wrist cut clean, juice flow crazy. Scalping.
If it's not the one from him, it's the new one until that one comes out. If it is the one from him, then it is the new sick one. Let's go. Happy 420, good morning. Happy Monday. Moses, MEXC 83, let's go. Good morning. Yeah, they must be working on it. Forgiven. Let's go, JV. I know. You already know. Let's go, Cake Shower. We don't gamble, we play. Yeah, I mean, it was a baby clean right here for the weekend. Still holding this. Did it hold the trend? Yeah, it's trying. Not really. It broke structure. Yeah, maybe we get the clean up here at previous week VWAP. That would be nice. Maybe it turns this into support and we go for more, especially on the new open next week. Towards the end of the week, got a 3-day weekend coming up. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, banking holiday again. Shout outs to the 4th of July. Yeah, we're just in the twilight hours of the quarter right now. Bing bong ding dong. Probably won't see too much volume in S&P. Just like a little trader play. I mean, this is like atrocious structure for even for futures. You see it all the time though, like just over ETH. So just kind of like walk it back up, just like that's complete bot trading. Algos fucking just gradually walking it up. And we have bad highs up here above. So that would be one to monitor right around 7,500 if it can make it there. Maybe on the open, and it is going to gap up. Maybe it just gets a baby clean right here, right at monthly VWAP, and tucks back in. If we can turn this level, which 78, 74, 80, 74.50 kind of. I thought it was 74.40 was kind of support before. Then maybe we can make a run higher. And it's still going to be resistance if it is able to make it up into like the 75.30, 20.30 zone. Let's go crypto craze. Sophia. Summer lateralis. I was working that out at the gym yesterday. Yeah, on the leg extensions. I'm doing some squats for it. Little deadlifts. Got the summer lateralis muscle. Let's go, Sophia. Let's go, Gonzas. I gotta see this new exchange. This is the first I'm seeing about it. Weekly, it's strong? There's no question mark behind it. What's going on, Yon Liev? How we doing, F5I? Burbeezy, let's go. How you doing, brother? Yeah. A juicy airdrop would be nice. God knows. Your boy needs to get some diapers. Not for the kids. Just to be able to sit in the chair for longer. Come on now. Get your helmets on. Get your spacesuits on. Get your diapers on. Let's get it. When's FOMC coming up? 20 something. 20 something. Let's see, CPI. Next one is the 14th. We got 2 weeks. Y'all, I might be finishing up just a little bit early today. I gotta go to an appointment. And it might be a little bit later on Wednesday, even though it's quarterly open. Yeah, it's just one of those things, y'all. Sorry. I gotta make sure. I'll know later today. So just keep an eye on the dashboard, exclamation dashboard, and it'll update you. But I still will be here. And if I gotta come in late, I'll just I'll find a way. Life finds a way to stay in longer. Maybe I'll go into like Who Juicing or something if I have to start late. That's on Wednesday. Hi, train, let's go. The new exchange. Let's go, Yannick. Thank you for the resub. Let's go. 20 something, yeah. Twenty-ninth. Yeah, we got some time. We got some time. When you lock in a squad like me, there's no limit. Let's go, Sunset. How you doing? Happy Monday. Happy Monday to the Lions. Welcome, welcome. Exclamation Discord. Exclamation Discord. I'm stuttering. Check out the KIMBA'S den. I'm well. How are you, Sunset? The KIMBA'S den is looking juicy today. New exchange. We have some giveaways, some more giveaways for BitBase coming up this week. Possibly this morning, question mark. Who's ready for some giveaways? Who's trading on BitBase now? Let's go. Huge deposit bonuses. We gave away like $6,000 last week, maybe more. It was like $6,000 on Mandalo streams. 5,600, I think. Maybe more. I'm trying to find this Dex link. And then we're going to check back in with that CoinWise dashboard. Text flow. This is dope. This is dope. USDC. Shit. Welp. I gotta get my life in order. Go get it! Looking good though, looking good. We got a bazillion crypto pairs, so don't you even worry. They even have Samsung USDC. Got SpaceX. So, you know, all the TRADFI synthetics. They got Microsoft. Cool. Looking great. Get in there. Exclamation TX flow. I don't think so, Dolkong. Possibly. I think that he would have maybe maybe been screaming it from the mountaintops. At least from the rooftops. But if he's endorsing it, then I think that it's probably going to be a good one. Look at MEXC, like back in the day, we were like, what is that? And then it blew up. CoinWise is dope, Tabasco. Shout out to Tabasco. Maybe he was shy. Yeah, could be. He'd be being modest about it. I see you. I love how smooth CoinWise is also. Look at this. Turning a red into a green. Ding, ding, ding. How are you guys going to let me miss market open? Talking about all this other business. All right. Let's go. Check our crazy. Yeah, look at this nice little open right here. Clean these lows locally and then go for that ugly high. Maybe these ugly highs. We'll check the gammas in a few. You know, Deribit had its quarterlies on Thursday, or as a Thursday night, Friday morning. And so it's like basically all discussed in the den, but kind of starting from scratch. Maybe get a little something towards the end of the week as far as the gammas. Shoutouts, Kimba, let's go. Good morning. We're talking about your den update. Let's go. Turn up. And you know it's a banking holiday, so you know they might be able to move it a little bit. Should be a good time this week. Quarterly open, excited for that. Really excited for next week too. Let's go. We got 5 minutes in. Okay. Okay. What's that first 5-minute candle? Green. All right, I'm checking the dashboard again. Okay, it looks like it's working maybe. Oh yeah. Let's go. Exclamation CoinWise. Let's go. Yeah, but I'm gonna pay out these points first. Shoutouts to the bulls. Nobody entered your market open prediction. Come on now. But the bulls, they 2x their points. Let's get it. Dolkong, how you doing? Do you have a good weekend? Anybody do anything exciting over the weekend? Okay, so we'll run through the norm first on the dashboard, and then we will check out the new things. Let's go! You know, you're used to all this. If this is new to you, coinwise.com/dashboard. Get the levels. Get all the juicy juice. And anything that your heart desires. Just about anything your heart desires. The unfilled rotation is such a juice level provided to us. Yeah, and don't forget, come right back to this. Don't sleep on this dashboard, but don't sleep on the CoinWise levels either. Where is it? I'm sleeping on it. And make sure you're marking your levels. Translate these over to your charts. Beautiful. Let's get it back to this dashboard because we're excited about this. Oh my goodness. Previous day value area high and T-val. Oh, just barely. Just barely. All right, heat map's working again. Nice. Yeah, a little bit of liquidity right below, kind of a lot of bit of liquidity down here, and then above the 61. That's 61 and change, and all the way on up until, like, I mean, you go higher time frame, it's going to be a lot more up there. Yeah, it's building. And then below our 58 lows. 62 and 58, it's kind of like the goalposts, I think. Both are potential near-term targets. Just put a little volume on it so you qualify for the airdrop. Let's go! Okay, I need to do that. It's literally a fork of HYPERLIQUID. Okay. Unleash, is it? I don't even... Dude. I'm not even gonna go there. Let's go! I don't even know what to, like how that's possible. But if you don't know, you don't know. King Guri, Curvies, No Diabito, JPX. Way it is, let's go. Good morning. Doobie. Let's go, calling noob, Boo Gamma. Exclamation Boo Gamma. Crypto Jammies, good morning. That's dope. Shoutouts Kimba. Shoutouts TX Flow. Looking after your twin son was very exciting. Just one of them or both of them? Dokong. That's fun though, man. That's fun. It's a different time of fun. It's just hard to describe it. Yeah, I'd say 62 and 58 levels to watch. Fun to watch them fight. How old are they again, Dokong? Let's go crypto jammies. Yeah. 6. Oh my goodness. It's probably a terror. That's amazing though. Yeah. Baby Mandalo is about to turn 4 in a couple months. Crazy. Crazy. Yeah, and she was splashing her baby brother in the pool the other day, like straight in the face, and he's just like starts crying and stuff. Mrs. Mandalo splashed the fuck out of her in the face, and she started crying, and she was like, oh man, I feel super bad about that, but she fucking wouldn't listen. I was like, dude, you're harsher than I am. I'd be like, okay, stop it. I'm so soft with my baby girl. You know what it is. 14th in 14 October. Nice. That's an interesting age. I don't know. I mean, I'm looking forward to seeing them grow up and everything, but like, man, I'm not ready for them to get big. Let's go Hitman Gucci. Yeah, for real, Sunset. Yeah, you do. I mean, like, dude, there's some ways that, like, words just don't... It doesn't get the point across. Do you understand? Well, somebody else is going to dunk you underwater and fucking hold you under if you don't, like, learn some manners. I'm so soft with them, though. But it's a little bit, yeah, shout outs Crypto Jammies. Now you're dunking them underwater, aren't they? Maybe they're dunking you. I don't get as much time as I want with them. So, you know, all the time that I do get, I'm just like, I'm just trying to enjoy this. Just like, be cool. Just like, all right, separate. Let's just be happy. Yeah, I know. I know. I'm not that soft, but I'm not like... I have a temper in real life, but it takes a lot for me to lose it. You know, the older you get, the less you... the more it takes. You just get more patient. Come in! What's up, buddy?
Bye, Dada.
Ah, I love you. I love you.
Bye, Ryan.
Have fun. I was just talking about you. I said, we were playing in the pew.
Was the pew so fun? Yeah.
I said, you disciplined her. Alright, love you.
Mama has to
Have fun. Big kiss. Big kiss.
I mean, can you give Dad a big kiss, please? Come on, baby. Let's go.
Okay. Have fun. I'll see you in a little while.
We're gonna go grocery. Love you, Dada.
Love you. Cheers, gang. Speak of the devil. Yeah, my whole world. My whole world. You know what it is. Who's ready to see the new thing? Who's already been there? Coinwise.com/dashboard. Okay. This is normal. This is what we've been seeing, isn't it? I think it's all updated all the way up to the 1 minute charts now, though. Juice. And then dealer report. Oh my goodness. We can change things on this now. 52 weeks, 26 weeks, spreading, total open interest, net, and this COT Commitment Traders Index Oscillator. You see that down at the bottom? Interesting. Interesting. You're on Sato's side? Oh shit, Unleash. Yeah, juicy new things. Is my camera frozen? It was you. Helmet on. Helmet on. Yeah, we'll have a nerd out on this later. I gotta get more, not just comfortable with it, but I need to use it more and see like how it plays out. So I need to do some more testing with this, and I encourage you all to do that. Oh, we got the congressman coming to the door this morning, bringing us some American flags. Shoutouts to America. Yep, our holiday is coming. I'm not even kidding. There's a congressman lives up the street and fucking walks around and hands out flags. He doesn't even like pay his people to do it. Feels weird on a... Curvies, what are you talking about, brother? Today's Monday, my boy. The hell's a congressman living next to somebody with a cardboard box? Oh yeah, I know, Curvies. Well, he's my neighbor, meaning that I live in the trash can out behind his house. But he wants that trash can to be just as patriotic as the rest of the houses. Let's go. Let me see if I can get this flag real quick, and then we'll talk about this COT and some of the other juice on the dashboard. Let me see this flag. You're bringing it? The flag. Yeah. He didn't give it to you? He had it off.
Let us roll. Schedule tight. Don't chase noise. I just prep it right. Friday close, but I'm still locked in. Plays don't sleep, so I never give in. Smoking lettuce on a weekend. Easy money, we don't pretend.
My bad, it was the senator.
Monday mapped out, now we just send. Bugatti dreams, but the vibes stay. Charts so clean, never
Here you go.
slip, never stumble. Clean but gang deep, if we touch it, it double.
Bye.
Juice don't fumble. Rooftop calm, but the plan on fire.
Even better. I don't know if it's a state senator or the U.S. senator. I'll have to like read the little card on it. Let's go, Housty. Let's go, Housty. Good thing that you are dual citizen. Lithuania and Palau. We have international visas to every country. Used to collect Lego? That's dope. Dolkong. Gave up after having them? Yeah, I know, man. It's like different. I used to surf a fucking every single day and work like 20 hours a day. Now it's only like 16 hours a day. And I've surfed like 6 times in the past year. So that's pretty awesome. It's different though. Telling to pass the crypto bill. I see you, Nwojo. I see you. Dude, I don't have parking tickets. You're not giving me tickets because I don't ever leave the house. If you don't have a potty underneath your trading desk, then you fucking aren't a trader. Is it called nice? Let's go 83rd. Let's go Dolkong. River USDT. No, I'll chart it. I have never heard of it. Lions, any of you trading River USDT? I might have seen it. I don't know. Is it new? We're just like trying to make sure that Bitcoin doesn't wreck everything. Alts are getting kind of punished really this past half year. I'm trying to hang on. But we do have a Gucci new DEX to work with. Do they have that one on TX bit? Am I even saying it right? Let's see, is River on there? It is not. It must be a pretty small one. No, are you on that one? Yeah. Sunset, I just don't, because I'm working all the time, and like a lot of my free time is I try to, you know, be a father. And I truly do enjoy spending time with the kids. It kind of feels selfish, even if it's, you know, everybody needs it, to, you know, just go and do something like that. Unless we're like all at the beach or something. Texas, it's Texas flow. Let's go, Curvies. I think it might be. Houston. What? Really? No? Let me see this. All right. Yeah, but that's like all the altcoins. Did it get delisted from Binance? What do I think about it? I think this is a Burj Khalifa, and this is just lack of interest for a very long time. This could be reaccumulation. You want to see it start to round in the opposite way. It's below the all-time point of control. It's below all the point of control. This is barely... Yeah. And it's outside of value. I think lower. But maybe the 250, 240 zone will hold. I think you probably would be... It would be a blessing to have the 280 zone hold if this low right here. How long has this been out? I'm going to weekly. Yeah, it closed below that prior low and this. I think a little lower, man. Hannah Montana. Yeah, no. Are you just like... Are you picking some up, or you're just like you round tripped some, and like what's your whole game plan with this one? I wouldn't be like looking for new positions unless it's something that you've been playing for a long time. But keep an eye out on it. Set some alerts. Maybe you set some alerts in like the below $3 range, and then you start to kind of go to lower time frame to monitor it. See if it starts to behave a little differently, and just keep an eye on Confluence too. You know, the correlation with Biddy and whatnot. This one is, I mean, it's hard for even fucking ETH or Solana to have interest. ETH Foundation is laying off a bunch of people. You know what I'm saying? To be fair though, ETH did close its weekly inside, and Bitcoin did not. Bitcoin. These lows are not nice, and still got that 1300 thing that I've been talking about forever. How about Sol? Yeah, if you're just looking for new positions, I would just look for like the shinier ones. Like Hype is doing pretty good still. Does Texas Flow have a have a token? Coming soon. Which one of you frickin' geniuses already came up with the TX Flow USDT token? And Sol not so bad. Sol did okay this week. I mean, it's pretty bad, but considering everything else looked like shit, and it's like kind of holding. There's your sweep level. It held on Friday, and I mean, these are bad highs. Granted, it's at that level, but it is looking okay. Maybe it cleans up all the way up to like the $80 range, at least. It's looking better than Bitcoin and looking better than ETH. Yeah, there's some levels to the downside that are kind of interesting, but we're not going to even worry about that just yet. Let's see where the flows take us. All right, we'll look at, yeah, Sol. Yeah, you see that on the daily? Sol Bitcoin and looking nice. Bitcoin. Yeah, got another weekly close above the previous all-time high. Down here. Bad lows. Bad highs. Sandwiched between, just like Bitcoin. Unlike Bitcoin, though, this is like near its all-time highs. Above previous highs. So this one, this is what I mean, though. No. You find the ones that are showing strength still. You know, Bitcoin's at all-time low, I mean, yearly lows, basically, and Hype is still holding above its all-time highs. That doesn't mean that it's like the future of finance or anything, but it does mean that you want to trade things that display strength, even with how do you guys let me get so distracted, dudes? Coinwise. How do you guys let me get so distracted? All right. So, what you see here, the COT. We have longs and shorts. What happened here? You got the spread, but total OI is going to shift the view of it. I have it on 26 weeks. It's just like the smaller time frame. I think they might put it in like some other time frames as well. Well, let's bring it in closer. So longs and shorts. Net. And then spreading. So offsetting long and short positions. This is all reportable. Let's take that out. Total open interest. It's kind of rolling under or rolling over, whatever. And this, like, we're hovering right around the 50. Above 80, below 20. Kind of think of this as like some of the other oscillators, like RSI or something. Ciao, Cataspada. So this is a COT index oscillator, commitment of traders. Above 80, overbought. Below 20, oversold. And that's 6 months and 1 year. It's because of the way that they report, and a lot of these things are only reported on the weekly basis. I think that probably it would be juiced to get weekly, monthly, and quarterly as well at some point. But this gives us some good data for like the long-term trend. This is really, I mean, a lot of these things, they don't even report it except for daily or weekly anyways. So CoinWise isn't making things up. They're getting all this stuff straight from CME and CFTC. So it's not like real-time, like minute chart order flow. But this is good for high time frame analysis. Yeah, you see this right now. This is a commit, the leverage funds. Ooh wee. Asset manager. So your dealer report, this is the positions of the market sell side. So that's what we're seeing here. Asset manager is like institutional of investors. There, it looks better without the total AI on there. What's going on here? Leverage funds, I mean, it's just like what it sounds like. It's like the hedge funds. This total AI, it's everything aggregated. 20K contracts. That's like one contract is 5 BTC. When was this? Interesting. I guess that was like right when the election. Yeah, we got to nerd out on all of this. Hard. And then the oscillator, so the non-reportable. Reportable, it's the large reportable traders aside from like the funds and the institutional side, like banks. But this is like, oh, no. This one also includes banks. That's what I'm saying. They gave me a little bit of data on this. Maybe we can put something together for the Lions. This is juice though. I'm sure, yeah, sorry, Christoph. We'll go back to the trading view in a minute. Yeah, thanks, Curvies. Yeah, thanks, Crypto Jammies. I'm rewarded. Oscillator though, that's a product of CoinMine. Shout outs to the developers. The commitment of the traders, it's like the interest. But think of it like RSI. And you go down below 20, you might be ready for a bounce. June 9th. Let's take that over to price action. Yeah, it's going to take quite a bit to explain all of this. Let's see if I can get it down far enough. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Yeah, it's hovering. This is how we juice it. The spreading is net. It's longs minus shorts. For net, and spreading is the official column from CFTC. Non-reportable doesn't have it. So you see it disappeared. Where it is in all the others. Yeah, so we're gonna be nerding out on this some more. Yep. Yes, 83rd. But ETF, I mean, for this one, the ETFs aren't really trading that much. I guess so. I guess so. But not the spot ETFs, unless they're hedging. Are you familiar with their practices? Let's go, Aram. Yeah, they're gonna be. They're telling me to hide. Let's just look at it as longs and shorts. Or total OI and net. So net's like the longs, or the longs minus the shorts. Hide that. Longs minus shorts, you get your net. That makes sense. I think you can think of it like a 6-year-old, and you can do the math there. There's your net. We don't even have to think about it. It's pretty nice to see that. You see the shorts coming up, the longs going down. Yeah, they're saying they like the let's go Curvies. Let's go Aram. Shout out to Curvies, shout out to Aram. That's a nice emote. All right, well, let's revisit this. Shit, I gotta go in an hour. I'll make sure before we wrap it up. Let's go, ready? That's dope. Shout out to Ready. All right, all right, all right. Looking forward to it. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that CME sweep, strong. There's that HYPERLIQUID. That's what I was talking about. And really fast, I'll go back to the river. But HYPERLIQUID closed above. Got a weekly close above that previous all-time high. Again, Sol, what I was talking about there. Sorry, y'all. I'm fucking retarded. I told you I'm short bus. But I said the Sol structure is looking better than the rest. And Bitcoin is dumping and Sol is holding. I think that high might still need to be cleaned, or that's like a bias. If it closes the quarterly above this, then that's going to look better, obviously. That's the first nuke low from February, and it's respecting it. Look, came out, right back, boom, with fibs. Perfect 7.5. Beautiful. ETH, not looking great. Pushing the lows, and there's the 1370 lows that we had, and Bitcoin, it just doesn't have the same structure. All right, let's get it back over to TRADFI because we're getting some voila. What I was saying about this high in Bitcoin versus like CME. The CME swept this. Binance, Coinbase did not, obviously. And oh my goodness. Wait, did anybody clip that? Who clipped that from before? I said, maybe we'll look at these highs. Maybe we just get a little clean of this at monthly VWAP. Or, oh no, I didn't. I don't know if I said previous monthly VWAP. I think I said that monthly VWAP. But like, dude, previous month VWAP right there. Oh, point of control also? Shit. That's previous month VWAP and previous month point of control. God dang. Shout out to Ready. Trading view for these charts, yes. And CoinWise indicators, exclamation CoinWise. Sunset. Christoph, my bad. If I lost you, I'm sorry. No, if I didn't show River, I was just getting excited about this vola right here. You know, you see that the RTH CME Bitcoin futures did not have anything substantial as far as sweeps, except for like an internal liquidity grab and previous day point of control tap. But the ETH chart did, and that pullback that we're experiencing is coinciding with the pullback on S&P. We walked it up, and you know, just take it right back to the gap fill. Almost there. Yeah, I think I got it. We got 15 minutes left in the initial balance. Got it. So all of that 2 days of ETH in 1 hour. You remember I was like, oh, that is so ugly. Now is the interesting point. Maybe settlement will hold. And right above settlement, we're pretty much bouncing from TPO value area low previous day. Let's see if it closes this candle and initial balance above or below PDEQ and PDPOC. I think CME is going to at least get this low here. So where's that correlate on the regular Bitcoin chart? Not that one. For fuck's sake, dude, I clicked it 3 times. Yeah, spot selling. And that 58.8 again. If we get a close down here, I think those lows are going to come sooner. If it wicks, maybe we'll clean up the highs first. That's a lot of pushing on this low. You got shorts coming in, longs are closing. You know, that was like kind of a pretty big nail in the coffin. That big top long. S&P help me. It's heaven for scalpers. That's right, Tabasco. That's right, Aurum. Let's go. That's amazing, Sunset. Ask any questions you want, brother. I'm try to answer them the best I can. And I'll at least try to have like the same chart on the screen. I sound like I'm kidding, but fuck me, man. I keep messing that one up. We'll get it down some time. Dude, I got like so many goddamn tools in front of me. You got a big one in front of you. Monster in my hand, but not the drink. Dude, that fucking strategy thing. I saw that like right when that pump came in and just like... Where are they getting the money from? You can just say this. You can say these things. Show me. Don't just give these fucking announcements. It is 83rd. Guess what happens to the people that invested in strategy when they need to pay their fucking interest payments? Strategy is not the US. They're not just gonna print more money. Like they can't do that. All talk, no show. Yeah, I know. Like your headlines are gonna... Dude. They do hold a lot though. That's just kind of concerning. Let's see how they're doing. We're going for this sweep here though. We're going to monitor, see if we get a close below this level or if it will tuck back in. Tuck back in, I think it'll buy us some more time. Close below, I think it's going to happen today. And we're definitely going to be monitoring where we close tomorrow. Yeah, Crypto Damas, I see you. Well, you can get a lot of his opinions and Juice and Kimba's Den and the Wise Lines. Exclamation Discord and exclamation NFT if you want to get in the Wise Lines. You can also access through YouTube, Lion King membership, or Discord VIP. I think we have a talent show tomorrow. We got Who Juicing today? Yeah, we got Who Juicing at 1. Kimba live trading tomorrow morning, hopefully. Talent show tomorrow afternoon. Liquidity's got talent. Market open with me is on Wednesday. It's probably going to be a little bit later than that, but I'll go longer, probably till the Who Juicing. And then Kimba live trading, market close on the 2nd. And Friday's gonna be cool, but it is a holiday for markets. You got JP Morgan. You got all the big funds. He could do that, Aurum, but yeah, I don't know, man. The Bitcoin ETFs are doing a pretty good job of that themselves. How you feeling if you bought Bitcoin at 80 or 90,000 and this is like with your retirement? I mean, all of us bought it at these prices, and it was supposed to be our retirement. But when you tell your financial planner to fucking, I want some aggressive exposure. Okay, well, let's try out Bitcoin ETF. This is a hot new product, and it's going to keep going up. It's shown 40% return so far this year. Let's get it. Okay. It's long term. I know. They keep saying 180,000. They say that next year it's going to be $1 million a coin. They don't tell you that it might go to $1 million and then it's going to go back to 50,000. That you got to sell it. Is that a hot take? It is. I know, Cryptodamus. Yeah, that's true. You're supposed to, Curvies. I know, dude, but like... I don't know, man. It's a pretty tricky problem to have. They are giving you more ways to use it. If all you're doing is trading Bitcoin with Bitcoin or buying it, how are you eating? How are you paying for gas? How are you paying for your house or just your taxes? How you paying for that second mortgage that Saylor told you to get so you can buy more Bitcoin? Dude, this is like pure ragging on the dude stream. Let's change the vibes up. Let's go. Dude, well, they apparently are gonna be juicy this time. Sunset. Yeah. People are lazy though, dude. It takes like even... There's always going to be government resistance to it. They can't control it as well. And it's kind of a hassle. It might be easy for you and me, but it's kind of a hassle for a normie. So I just had this piece of plastic that they mailed me. I don't even have to know how much money I got. and I can go buy fucking anything I want. And if I can't pay my credit card bill, then I'll fucking just get a different credit card. Or I can keep track of how much Bitcoin I have, and maybe the government doesn't know about it, and I gotta figure out how to get it. I guess cash out. They are making it easier. But you see what I'm saying, right? It's kind of a hassle. Look at this. This initial balance. They're trying to close it back inside. That's dope. Like, even my comments on stream, like my actual serious comments on stream, a little bit ago, speak volumes. Like, dude, I don't hold USDC or very little of it. And so I gotta do the little swap thing to from USDT to USDC for the Texas Flow exchange, TX Flow, exclamation TX Flow. It's not a big deal, but it's, you know, it's like one extra step. It's worth it to me, but some people are gonna be like, what's the difference? How come I can't do USDT? But all I have is ETH. What am I supposed to do? Let's go. My name is Longs. How you doing? Dude, cold storage. Yeah, I see you, Aram. It does. Dude, but I had my Avalanche and cold storage since it was $90. Where, like, it's supposed to be the future. I'm just kidding. No, you just pick the good ones, like Bitcoin. Man, you got me in a mood today, didn't you? Shit. Alright, who wants No, are you still here? Will you say you're still here, No? I don't know if I actually showed you for real, River. Oh man, my name is Longs. I've done like a whole bunch of like high time frame modeling, and there's a lot of interesting things that we could see. But we're just gonna go level to level. Look at this. Are they gonna hold this low? Look at this wick. This is beautiful. Holy shit, just gap fill and go. Alright, I think it's time to see. Look at this fucking gap fill. I don't think XFlip is still there. That's your gap fill. Right there. How long did it take? Beautiful. That's a spread gap. It's nothing. It's not a real gap. That's something I don't like about the weekend trading on Bitcoin futures, is it makes like these synthetic gaps within the session. The spread gaps are like show up as gaps. It's just triggering to me. Sunset. I like to see more emphasis on like the levels. And they're green and red in my eyes. You just get trained to see it. And then it also allows me to emphasize high volume candles. So when volume gets outside of normal ranges, then they can get brighter or colorful or something. But I'm paying attention to the levels more than I am the candle colors. Yeah, and I've done plenty with candle patterns and whatnot. And that's all juice if you integrate it into your strategy. I think that's it can be quite powerful. I'm just really like levels and volume, TPO, different volume things. and order flow. That's kind of my, yeah, it's really just like price action. It's kind of just like the things that I look through. All right, initial balance, we got it. Back inside, developing point of control for the session for S&P, under point of control on a Bitcoin. Below. Let's see what this initial balance candle looks like. 1 hour. There's the nice one. Yeah, Crypto Damas. They are hollow candles. They're actually not in the hollow candles, I don't think. Is it? It's just normal candles, and I changed the settings on them. But it's an indicator. Oh, shit. It's just a... Will this one do it? No. Oh, never mind. Settings. Oh, my fucking God. Oh, my God. I gotta get it, like, away from all this shit. Can I show it on here? There we go. Yeah, I just like make the bodies like invisible. Because on the hollow candles, it still does color. Or it makes the red one solid. I'm trying to see the insides with the other indicator. Where am I? I got lost. I'm seriously like, and maybe you've experienced this before. This is just part of my emotional control apparatus. So I do have charts that have, you know, all the colors and shit. I just think it's, I don't know, man. What does red and green together make? I see that. You want stop loss and profit? Okay. Shout out to Coke Zero. Biffum, good morning. How you doing, brother? Shout out to Biffum. Barragio. I think it looks like brown. Okay, let's go. Looking good, looking good. Let's get this dashboard back up because it looks nice on there. Juicy. Value area low, holding. Got back inside. Is we maybe have all experienced this emotional surge when price just like dump super hard or pump super hard and you're like, let's go, Latisse. FOMO mode. Okay, okay, okay. Stop loss and profit. You get really emotional. Just like I find these visual things, like you check your phone and all of a sudden you just like see this green dildo that goes off your screen. It's like, fuck. I was short. I just shorted this. I was trying to short this. What the fuck? That was my stop loss. God damn it. And then it just dumped. You get the alerts. I know. But that's resistance. That's one thing that I can control, you know what I mean? Not going to bed with, unless it's really like close to my levels. I'm not like really trying to just get filled while I'm sleeping. Ooh, sunset. I don't know, man. I was talking pretty negative. I'm gonna measure my negativity. You can measure it. It's probably like way up here. All right, let's get this stop loss and profits on. Shout out to SXW. Wait, one more while I'm on this page, because I just like this song. Let's go, SXW is coming next. They changed their strategy. Dude, I saw somebody posted up this thing and he was like, I'll never sell my Bitcoin. But you said you would never sell your Bitcoin. And he's just like, I never said that I would never sell my Bitcoin. I said you shouldn't never sell your Bitcoin. And he's like literally saying, we'll never sell our Bitcoin. Like, dude. I'm so stuck on this topic today. I'm sorry. It's just these fucking news things that are for... It's tedious. 58 and 62 are our goalposts. I got about half hour left this morning. Smart money. Yeah, I use Fib. I use Fib, it's just not the top of my list. And the funny thing is, a lot of the Fib levels line up with the other things that I use. You'll see that. Let's go, Fredward. Hey, thank you. I saw you do it. You said juice, 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 juice. Thank you for the resub, brother. Shout outs to Fredward. Hey, you know what? Unlike Sailor, I'm long, short. I'm in all three. You know what it is. How we doing, Fredward? You doing okay? Let it rip. Oh shit. This is a good song, but I promise SXW can't lose. Yep. Oh, but did you see that who juicing from last week that Sato and Bato both got stopped out? That was hilarious. Exclamation, who juicing? The Korean streamers counter trading stream and so much more. Exclamation, who juicing? We got a who juicing premiere coming up in a little while, about 2.5 hours from now. All right. Shout outs to Fredward. Shout outs to Biffum. You're doing dandy. Wow, really, Fredward? Shout outs to you, brother. Feeling all right? I felt like back in the day when I was Latuching that if there was something like that, if I was like consistent with it, then I would feel like foggy the next day. Any of you guys doing your thing with that L-theanine? You're a little lightheaded? Yeah. I'm Gucci Magucci smoking on that Latucci. Yeah, I see you, Chauncey. Let's go, Chauncey. How you doing, brother? Hey, we caught the Argentina game over the weekend. Let's go. Shout out to Argentina. Shout outs to all the World Cup enjoyers. Round of 32. Like thinking and stuff. I've heard like a lot of people kind of claiming it, and believe it or not, I'm a doctor, but I haven't seen any of like the peer-reviewed studies on it, and it's on my list of things to research, but I've been like, I can't remember to do it. It sounds like I need it already. And I don't know about the peer-reviewed studies. The funny thing is, like, I don't know, man. Every single thing that is written by AI or people has a bias. So you just gotta see enough. Yeah, I saw Gary Brecka talking about that. Yeah. But that's not the only person. I've seen some others. And I think that, doesn't even Rogan talk about it? I'm trying to remember if that's the one that he's, like, always, like, vibing on. Embryology. Sensor. Very different than this. But I'm good at making babies. Cachoya. He owns the company that makes it. Is it Alpha? I thought it was something else. Let's go, Hitman Gucci. Let's go, XLRD. Is it too off the deep end for you, Sunset? Let's go, 83rd. I actually worked in the lab that they started in vitro in the US. Yep, I met the dude that developed it as a technology. He was hella old. It's pretty cool. Dude, he's got like 250 million, brother. Crazy. It's crazy. Look at those longs now. Risk set, profit check. Let's get it. Set that stop loss, man, and let it. You haven't chosen this. Are you you haven't chosen the specialty? Just like so general practitioner? You still doing like residency? Sensor? Congratulations, brother. It's good to have, nice. Congratulations, dude. It's good to have something else other than just trading, trying to rely on trading, and you just stress yourself out and just fucking piss away money, dude. Yeah. That's awesome. Fred was a doctor also. We got quite a good handful of them. Rogelicious is. Shoutouts to Chauncey. Methylene blue, I've seen that. Dude, I have a bunch of that shit in my lab. Seaweed stem cells. You ever try astaxanthin? That was kind of a cool one. You're recovering from a stroke? Hey. Each day you get better, I hope. Crypto jammies. The stop loss and profit? Forgiven? Yeah, dude. BTC and flip flops. Let's go. Or it could be in orange slides like Drake. Let's go. Maybe checking them off of the balcony. To the balcony, y'all. 25 drops, huh? Is that like the recommended dosage? Embryology. Sunset Synergy. I worked in bioelectrics for a while as well. Your bald spot. You're gonna be 60 in 9/11. Dude, welcome to crypto. Bald spot filling up. I looked like Jesus before I started creating crypto. You know, just like a little mustache, long hair. It's been a hard 6 months. Black hair. Now it's all blonde. You know what it is. Kinguri, let's go. Congratulations to all the BitBase juicers. Definitely not. Definitely not, Fredward. But I do enjoy it. I enjoy it very much. Shout out to Fredward. Chauncey's juicing. He said, who needs a sub? Shout out to Chauncey. The color, it's fine. Dude, you could drop that shit on your hands and it's gonna make your hands blue for all day. That's it. Like anything, you can overdose on water. Like anything, it has to be in the correct dosage. Let's go, Miles. Kimba Lion, let's go! Shouts to Kimba, exclamation Discord, Kimba's Den. Some juice came out this morning. We had some lions juicing up on BitBase last week. Probably have some more giveaways incoming soon. We will be sending it off here pretty soon today. Got Who Juicing coming up in a little while at 1 New York time. And then Wednesday morning, I'll be back. Kimba live trading tomorrow morning, and the LIQUIDITY's Got Talent show tomorrow afternoon. Exclamation dashboard for all of this, and to access all the Gucci exchanges. Make sure you get signed up on BitBase and put your UIDs in there. And as soon as is the dashboard updated for Texas Flow, TX Flow? I still got to get in there. It just came out like right when I came on stream this morning. Is it in giveaways? Yeah. It's not even in there yet. It'll be in there, but make sure that you get signed up on it. And Kimba said that get some trading volume. Get some trading volume through there. I don't think it has to be something huge, but if you want to be eligible for airdrops, then that's the way to do it. Exclamation TX Flow. Let's go, Kinguri. I gotta get some USDC. Or get it over there. Add to the list. Let's go, Kinguri. Are you in Latin America? Let's go, Chauncey. I don't know, James Rick. I don't know, brother. You know, it just came out today. I think that we want to Just take it level by level. Yeah, I seen it too, Crypto Jammies. You decided to up 5 draws, 20 is common. Did it really? That's amazing, Crypto Jammies. I've seen conflicting reports, but it's juice. And if it works, even if it's placebo, honestly, if you believe it, it's a crazy thing about the brain, man. It's a crazy thing. There's so much shit. Top 5 indicators. Volume and volume profile. VWAP. I mean, I could name the top 5 indicators just on CME. I mean, on fucking stupid. CoinWise. My favorite indicators, and they're CoinWise indicators. TPO PVP, you get your volume profile and TPO profile. It's like your full market profile levels. And it combines some other things. Just get starting out though. You know, it simplifies it. You don't have to be able to read a profile like this and like know what you're looking at. I do like the regular. This is called VRVP. This visible range volume profile. So as I change the chart, you see that it's going to shift based on what goes into the calculation for our sum of volume at the different levels. I would really suggest checking out CoinWise, !CoinWise, and at least the dashboard. So let me show you on the dashboard super quick. They have a bunch of things that explain stuff like this. But that is a big one, TPO and PVP, because it shows volume profile and time, the visible range volume profile, and this one, CoinWise levels, it shows like significant opens and closes and some other things that eventually you'll begin to appreciate more as you become more versed with the terminology and analysis in your journey. It doesn't take that long to kind of get like a little handle of what's going on. But it also shows VWAP on there, which I have mentioned. And it shows multiple different VWAPs, daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, yearly, if you want it. I guess quarterly VWAP could be in here now. I like turned it off before and then because it was like at the beginning of the quarter. Yeah, don't care about the previous quarter VWAP anymore. Where is it gonna lie? Is that previous quarter VWAP? Does that look blue to you? I think that's the, I need to get the name on it. So I like that. And so that's 4, maybe 5 with this. I think that the 5th one, and you're always going to have volume on there. Volume's always going to be on the chart. And you can get some pretty good analysis just from volume analysis. But if you're going to add something else, one more for anything that's not spot. We looked at Sol previously, Nicholas, and it was actually looking not too bad. But it'll be open interest. And so that's CoinWise open interest. And this is like an aggregate of a bunch. Yeah, Coinbase is usually, what the fuck? What are you doing to me here? It's a aggregate of a bunch, so it's like a wider snapshot of what the market positions is money flowing into the market, or are positions closing and money's leaving the market. And that's for Bitcoin over here on the left side. There's a whole lot of other things in here, but I think that those are some of the more important ones to get used to. If you're going to use tools, I would say that my favorite tools to use, aside from those CoinWise indicators, which, you know, you can try out CoinWise on your own, exclamation CoinWise, and you can get a 14-day trial, like Calling Noob just, Anchor V's just said. I like Anchor VWAP as well. Sensor. Yeah, I'm big on that one. Okay, we'll go to daily. So a couple of tools that are really juice. Of course, you had the Fibonacci tool. So, you know, you can like customize that. I would just go with like the normal settings that TradingView has for you, or whatever. Like you can be charting on the CoinWise dashboard and use a lot of these type of tools. But here, you can do, I like this one. That's fixed range volume profile, and it can help to provide levels. Pretty interesting that we are outside of value and it's like looking bearish there. And then like Sensor was saying Anchor VWAP, and I have some extra things on this, but you really only need this. Yeah, these are deviation bands. Kind of interesting, isn't it? Ideally, you're actually pulling it from like something like there. So those are some of the things that I like, Sunset. But as you begin to test some of them out, and I really strongly encourage checking out the CoinWise trial. Like, dude, it's free. The Anchor VWAP is part of TradingView. Yeah. So it's in the you can get to it in the CoinWise dashboard too. It's in the forecasting tools. And it's there with fixed range volume profile. Let me get this thing off the screen. Let's go back to the dashboard once more. Some exciting new things came out on the dashboard. I wanted to show so in here, we can get the Anchor VWAP if you wanted. You can do it in different time frames. You can turn off all of these things, and you have, this is TPO and PVP on here. Unfilled rotation is a really cool tool, but it's like something you got to nerd out a little bit on. But what I was talking about the dashboard is, if you don't know what some of these things are, they have information pages for these. In a little video, I would suggest going to their YouTube and just going through their playlist of things and seeing some of the other stuff they have also. Yeah, I think they have like 35 or 40 videos on there, maybe more if you count the indicator ones. I think it's like closer to 50 if you count their indicator videos just on the YouTube. And then they have education when you're ready to kind of step it up a little bit more, but in their paid tools. But when you're doing your trial, I did, Dre. When you're doing your trial, you can test out their trading journal, which is pretty cool. And that's evolving also. Yeah, they asked a little bit for my input. Cage also, he's given some input on it. He's doing some great work there. Shout outs to Cage. Shout outs to the whole team. I just get to show the tools. And then the last thing that I wanted to show back in the dashboard was they just updated this with some extra juice for us. We got COT, Index Oscillator. Yeah, it's kind of like RSI. And to have some adjustments that we can make. We definitely have some more tools to work with and to nerd out on in the dashboard. Open interest, just general open interest, and you can go all the way down to 1 minute. It's pretty dope. And then if you just are into like the normal, so the reason that we look at CME is because it's up there, if not the highest volume, even if it doesn't look like it. Each trade on CME, each 1 Bitcoin that it's like showing on the chart is 1 contract, and it's 5 Bitcoin. CoinWise is coming in Germany? Are we? I'm saying that like I'm CoinWise. Is CoinWise going to Germany? I'll collaborate with them some. This is dope. Oh, and German. Dude, if there's the demand, yes. They have French, Spanish, and Portuguese right now, I think. Do they have any others? German would be dope. Yeah, and then the other things. I think that, I mean, they've talked about wanting to do it in like many different languages. Definitely need it like Korean, don't we? Shout out to Korean. Shout out to calling noob. But was it Sensor that was actually asking? Or Sunset? It was Sunset. Yeah, it's coinwise.com/dashboard. And this stuff is free. Yeah, you're welcome. And if you like come up with questions or something on that, we're not supposed to post links, but I'm like the streamer, so I get to post them. So if you get questions, just ask, man. Like, I'll be back here on Wednesday morning. Let's go 10 binds. Yeah, I'm fixing to wrap it up. Yeah, it is pretty crazy. It's juice. And there's a lot more they're building. Yeah, they have some big plans, I think. They really want to be like the alpha tools in education. And they have a roadmap for it. So I mean, everything takes time, but it's looking really bright. And the reason that I was talking about for the CME, the juice that we have there is it's the most volume, and it's like you can validate it. It's like reported, it's checked. You know, it's not like some dude at Binance saying, yeah, we traded freaking $60 billion yesterday. Like, it's governed. Not like governed, but it is definitely monitored by the SEC. It is valid reporting. My SPY, or S&P anyways, was that we were possibly looking for a sweep, and it gave it to us, and then it held the lows on the initial balance, so it was looking kind of my overall read is that everything is going to be choppy until probably next week, if not just like the monthly open, monthly and quarterly. To wrap things up, I mean, we were looking at the beginning of the stream at a sweep to clean this and possibly to clean this. We got the first sweep. We mentioned this price action looked really, really ugly, and it cleaned out everyone there. And hold value from the day previous session, Friday session. So not too bad. And it was a pixel perfect gap fill on S&P index. We came back inside. Now we're sitting at the highs again, above previous week point of control. Yeah, so we get outside of here, and I think that we probably could make a run for that 7,500 level. I want to see what happens there, because that is bad, bad, bad highs now. They're weak. That's 3 big ones. Boo gammas. I gotta wrap this up. I for real gotta go. It's pretty important. I hate to do it, but I got to. Come on, boo gammas. Gex flip is at like 70 or 74.50 now, it looks like. Oh, come on. What in the fuck is this? I messed this all up the other day. I thought that I had fixed it. Alright. Well, you can see it. Yeah, the biggest boot gamma is at like 73.60 on index. And you got 7,300 is pretty big. Ooh! What is this? Oh, never mind. Oh shit, thank you for the update. 74.20. And Gex flip is at 7,400. Yeah, so it was showing correctly. Damn. And then 7K and 7,300. To the downside. We already heard this one. What the fuck? Let's go. Exclamation boot gamma. An exclamation exo for other order flow. So all of that I just displayed is for correlation. 7,400 was a big level and 7,420. So not even at this high right here. But it's for correlation. We watch the correlation with traditional markets to see kind of risk on, risk off appetite in intraday trading. And so that's the levels that we were looking at. Yeah, right there. 7,300 and 7,420. Potentially, if it falls back down, maybe we just think it's a clean and still holds like 73 something, but we're right at Gex flip. Below Gex flip, more volatility. Above, suppressed volatility. And you can see that being a little bit of a resistance zone, despite I mean, regardless of it being a psychological number. Absolutely no Diabito. Yeah, I wish I could stick around for longer, but I just got to take care of this. It's like a kind of a big thing that I got to do. Shout outs to XLR, Sunset, please come on back. Welcome to the gang. And go to the Discord. The PSG in Discord is amazing. Kimba's Den, amazing. If you can, if and when you are ready for the Wise Lions, I know somebody that has some Gucci, super juicy NFTs, exclamation NFT. And then we can check out the exclamation dashboard. I challenge you guys to take a look at the CoinWise dashboard, coinwise.com/dashboard, and the newest DEX exchange, the exclamation TX flow. Make sure that you get in there and start giving some trades. Check out the BitBase, make sure you get that one. All good. You guys have lots of homework to do. But we're coming into the end of the quarter, so we got time. Let's go, Pavel. Shout outs to Pavel. Shout outs Fredward. James Rick. Let's go, Aram. Strong song. I'm strong if you strong, SXW. Absolutely. Coke Zero, let's go. Thank you for the resub, brother. Let's get it. Shout outs Coke Zero, much love. MEXC83, much love. Spaceman incoming. Big cheers. Shout outs to the CoinWise team. Brand new tools just came out on the dashboard. It's amazing. Great work over there. Shout outs to Dev and all of the CoinWise team. Make sure that you stick around for the Who Juicin' in a little while. And follow the other instructions for giveaways and juice and airdrops and all kinds of amazing things. We are winding down this quarter, but you know what happens after this quarter? Next quarter. Let's go! Shout outs Housty. Shout outs Kimba. Thank you, brother. Have a great week. I will be seeing you all soon. Soon. Absolutely. Bangstar. Have a great day. If you don't use a stop loss, I'm gonna slap the shit out ya. Yeah, we got our goalposts. The 62 highs, the 58 lows. We have some ideas, maybe a sweep down here in the mid, like around 58.8 on futures. I can see that getting cleaned up, and for like Coinbase, that makes sense. Sol was looking better. Yeah, we talked about the plan earlier. It had a good weekly close, all things considered. But Sol BTC was looking pretty good. It was looking better than some of the others. Hype was looking better than it, but it definitely looked better than ETH and Bitcoin. I forget who was asking about it. Pinlowski, absolutely. Have a great day. Curvies, shout out to Curvies. Much love. Much love to all the Lions. Make sure that you are registered. You shorted 74. Let's go, Nicholas. Let's go, Nicholas. Juice. We fancy. Xenon, Sophia, Dirties, Latisse, Calling Noob, shouts to Calling Noob. Calling Noob Juice, and get those umbrellas out. I saw you gift somebody. Shout outs Calling Noob. Shout outs to SXW. Much love, y'all. Christoph, Dolkong, Crypto Jammies, No. Curvies, Kimba AI, Hannah Montana, Roscoe, Yoan, Neil. Let's go. All right, y'all, I gotta go. Love ya. Have a great day. Peace. Hey, sunset. Absolutely. You have a great day also. I hope to see you in here soon. Tanbines, Doobie, SXW, Bugatti. Coinwise.com/dashboard. Thank you for the stream. Sponsorship, Coinwise. Shout outs to Kimba and the Discord. Exclamation dashboard, exclamation Discord. Let's go. Chalub, Nicholas, Gonzalez, Sunset, Doobie, 10 Binds, SXW. Let's go. Coke Zero, Biffum, Calling Noob. Team, love y'all. Chauncey, Cyber, Buzz, Husty, Cage, MGK, Tiggy, Coiner, let's go! Shout outs, Kimba. Shout outs to all of you. Love you. Have a great day. Peace! Hitman Gucci, yo!
It's Mandalo. Early morning level without a doubt. I'm nerding and we nerding out. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. We set them. Pre-market out for the Lions is ready. Coinwise, Sammy and Salmon, we steady. Deep cheers when the knowledge connecting. Wise lions studying with patience. Mandalo. In the morning, I'm nerding and we're nerding out. Early morning levels without a doubt. Calling the zones in the structure. Pre-market nerd out. That's all that we about. Shout out to Coinwise. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. Why you be all on the trot if you rushing? Why you not marking the levels of soaking? Wise lions patient, we build it for structure. Mandalo teaching the code to the public. Coinwise outfits flowing abundance. Knowledge and discipline stacking the hundreds. Every reaction the lions know how I'm coming. Lions brigade when candles start pumping. Before the bell ringing, the lions on a mission. Studying candles, levels, and timing with precision. A boobalito in any market condition. Coinwise with Kimba Lions dominating the competition. We got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. Pre-market off for the Lions is ready. Coinwise family and seminar we stay. Big cheers with the knowledge connecting. Wise lions studying with patience. Mandalo in the morning. I'm nerding and we nerding out. Early morning levels without a doubt. Calling the zones in the structure. Pre-market nerd out. This all that we about. Shout out to Coinwise. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels.